A superset is a strength training technique that involves performing two different exercises back-to-back with little to no rest in between. These two exercises are typically targeting different muscle groups or movement patterns. Supersets are commonly used in resistance training programs to maximize the efficiency of a workout and to create various training stimuli. Here's why they are considered effective. Welcome back to another exciting video. Today's video is about what is a superset and why is it so effective. Before we start the video, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Time efficiency. Supersets excel at optimizing your gym time. Traditional workouts with rest intervals between sets can lead to extended training sessions. Supersets allow you to complete a high volume of work in less time, which is valuable for those with tight schedules. This time efficiency can also make it easier to stick to a consistent workout routine. Increased intensity. Supersets create a continuous demand on your muscles. This means your muscles must work harder and for a longer duration, leading to greater fatigue. The increased intensity stimulates the muscle fibers, promoting strength and hypertrophy, muscle growth. This is especially beneficial for breaking through plateaus and making progress in your training. Enhanced muscle endurance. By challenging your muscles with back-to-back exercises, supersets improve your muscle endurance. This endurance is vital for activities that require sustained effort, such as running, cycling, or sports like soccer or basketball. It can also help you perform better in high-repetition strength training. Cardiovascular benefits. Supersets elevate your heart rate and can provide a cardiovascular workout effect. This cardio element can enhance your overall fitness and help with calorie burning during your strength training session. It's an efficient way to incorporate both strength and cardiovascular training into a single session. Variability and muscle confusion. Supersets are excellent for introducing variety and muscle confusion into your strength training routine. Here's why this is crucial. Preventing plateaus, the body tends to adapt to repetitive movements, leading to plateaus in strength and muscle gains. Supersets constantly change the exercises you perform and the muscle groups targeted. This prevents your body from becoming too efficient at a specific movement pattern, helping you break through plateaus and continue making progress. Targeting weak points, supersets allow you to address weak points or imbalances in your physique. By including exercises that focus on neglected or underdeveloped muscle groups, you can create a more balanced and aesthetically pleasing physique. Mental stimulation. Variety in your workouts keeps things mentally engaging and interesting. It can make your workouts feel less monotonous, which can help with long-term adherence to your training program. Functional fitness. Functional fitness involves preparing your body for real-life movements and activities. Supersets that mimic functional movements, e.g., canned row, can improve your ability to perform daily tasks and sports-related activities. Time under tension. Time under tension, TUT, refers to the duration that a muscle is actively engaged or contracted during an exercise repetition. Here's how supersets affect TUT. Prolonged TUT. Supersets increase the total time under tension for the muscles being worked because you're engaging them for a more extended period. This extended stress on the muscles can lead to greater muscle fatigue and microtrauma in the muscle fibers. Both of these factors contribute to muscle growth, hypertrophy. Hypertrophy. Muscles respond to increased TUT by growing in size. This is a key aspect of building a stronger and more muscular physique. By incorporating supersets into your workout routine, you can promote hypertrophy, especially when using appropriate resistance levels and proper form. Strength gains. Longer time under tension can also contribute to strength gains. As your muscles adapt to handling prolonged loads, they become stronger and more resilient, allowing you to lift heavier weights over time. Fat loss. Supersets can be an effective tool for fat loss and improving body composition. Calorie burn. The high-intensity nature of supersets elevates your heart rate, increasing calorie expenditure during your workout. Additionally, the post-exercise calorie burn, known as the afterburn effect or EPOC, is more pronounced with intense workouts like supersets. This means you continue burning calories even after you've finished your workout. Lean muscle preservation. When aiming for fat loss, preserving lean muscle mass is important. Supersets help maintain muscle mass while promoting fat loss. This is essential for achieving a toned and defined physique. Metabolic benefits. Regularly including supersets in your workout routine can enhance your metabolism. Muscle tissue is metabolically active, meaning it burns calories even at rest. As you build muscle through supersets, you increase your resting metabolic rate, making it easier to manage body weight. Body composition. Supersets can help reshape your body by reducing body fat percentage while enhancing muscle definition. This can result in a leaner and more toned appearance. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.